3, 2, 1. Bazinga!
We are launching radiosondes today as part of NASA's nationwide Eclipse ballooning project to study the atmosphere.
So this will carry our radiosonde that measures temperature, pressure, humidity, and dew point up to the stratosphere.
There we go, guys.
We're involved in a project sponsored by NASA to deploy a variety of equipment, but mostly focused on the launching of weather balloons. We'll also be doing this in synchrony with what NASA is doing across the field, which is launching vertical profiles of the atmosphere using an unmanned vehicle.
What we're looking for is this known event. We know that we're going to turn off the energy coming from the sun. That's important when you think about a volcanic eruption. That's going to change their forecast, and this is a perfect time to model that when we know that we're going to have a decrease in solar radiance.
One of my friends was part of the project, so one of these days I was just like, what's this ballooning class you go to? Because you never talk about it. He's like, oh, you actually might like it. It's about like a solar eclipse, and we're going to go out to New Mexico and upstate New York for the eclipses. The solar eclipse has always been a bucket list item, and so to kind of pair it with getting a ton of experience doing field work like this, I mean, for me it was a pretty easy decision.
If you're looking for opportunities, don't be afraid to reach out. A lot of professors in our department are really willing to help you get those opportunities. You just have to take that first step and ask them questions. To make some mistakes too along the way, it's all going to happen. There are things that are going to come up and you got to adapt to them. But the biggest thing is to take that first step.
You know, I can't express how exciting this is. There are no real words for that. And as we get close to totality, it's really going to come out. You'll see that.
Evan, can you just talk about your experience with this, one as just launching balloons, but also what you just witnessed?
It was just wicked cool. We saw a temperature drop. We got to see a total eclipse here. It went complete darkness for a while here. Just a really, really cool experience, and awesome to be here surrounded with my professors, faculty, and friends.
It's a lot of fun to just go to new places with my friends, do this kind of work. I mean, can't really ask much more than that.